So here we are, Cascade Trails. The second landing of the loop is currently closed, it says. But yeah, down there in the holler in the little honey hole, found the first ginseng. Shh, don't tell anybody. There's ginseng all over this place. Look at this, is the coolest trail. I don't care, I'll go by myself. Check this out. Oh, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hoping to find some arrowheads or snake heads or artifacts, etc. Wish me luck, you guys. But this is a beautiful trail. Talking honey holes everywhere. Long, steep falls. So let's go. Let's take this hike, huh? All by myself. Me, nature, and God. It's chill like that. It's pretty cool. Wish I was around during the Native American times. Found out I have some Native in me. So I'm stoked about that. Kind of always felt it. I knew my heritage, but kind of always felt that there was some Native in me. Look at that. That joker's a snakehead. Look at the neck. Yep. Possibly. Not certain, but it looked like it. Beautiful little mossy trails. There's the painted laurel. It's the most common plant around here. Now this is a bit dangerous because I go by myself. Anything happens to me, kind of fucked. I told 2 people where I'm going. I told Chief and I told my twin sister. I told her to come meet up with me, but I'm probably gonna run out of signal. But I can't wait to show you guys the waterfalls. Pray there ain't no bear out here. There's the mountain laurel. See the painted laurel? Something's probably a squirrel. Look at all this. I wish I had time to go through it. But you can hear the waterfalls. Can't wait. I'm going to show you the top of the waterfalls. This thing is insane. I don't like going by myself. Well, I mean, it's cool by myself, but it's about to be sundown. I really just hope I find some artifacts or at the least get some good footage. It's beautiful. God, I wish I had time to look at some stuff. I'll look when I get closer to the falls. More apt to find something there. And I think there might be one other hiker on this trail. I hope that any dangerous wildlife stays away. As long as you don't get in their business, they'll pretty much keep to theirs. Usually. Now, a man did get attacked on the parkway by a panther, a mountain lion, a couple years ago, and he ended up surviving it, actually. He killed it by strangling it and putting his hand in its mouth and pulling its tongue or choking it, whatever, and strangled it, choked it to death, and he survived, but he was jogging, and see how beautiful it is. These little side trails. He was jogging, and he had his earbuds in, and he didn't hear, well, you're not going to hear a mountain lion creeping upon you, but he didn't hear it coming. And you know what, if I die this way, it's okay. I'd rather be killed by nature than killed by man. Lord knows it's coming up the pipes sometime. Not too far off, it seems like. The world is just going to shit. So I'm trying to enjoy it while I'm here. But yeah, coming up a little bit, we're gonna be at the top of the trail where the Cascade Falls begins. Freshwater aquifer underground sprouts up here. You can hear it. Hear it? About getting closer here. It's been a couple of years. You can hear it there. It's beautiful nature. I mean, look at it. It's just gorgeous. I can hear the waterfalls. I'm so excited. This is so cool. This trail is ancient. This was created by the Native Americans. And all kinds of tips here, but they could have put some gravel down on the path. That screws everything up for when you're arrowhead hunting, because you don't want to look through some tumbled rocks, you know. It's not nothing. It's on the trail, but I think I hear someone. I think there is another set of hikers here, so that's good. I don't think that's one. No, it's not sharp enough. Yeah, they did lay gravel down here, so I'm getting thrown off sidetrack. But you can hear this Cascade Falls. Something so beautiful out here. And I'm not alone, because I'm going to post this on my YouTube and share it with you guys. So come along.